Good afternoon. It is Dan with Alpha Traders. It is 1:28:22 midday in Theta Burn Friday. After a monster morning, we're looking forward to the last power hour of the month. It's going to be a fun time. So you have monthly closing as well as weekly, as well as daily. Um, Want to take a minute though, talk about Nvidia. Also, don't forget to like, put the alerts on alphatraders.com. Twitter's at Alpha Traders Inc. And of course, YouTube is at Alpha Traders. Um, Looking forward here to NVIDIA. I think it's an interesting name. As semis have been hit hard. The supply chain is really, really, really taking its toll on things like NVIDIA and things like LRCX and AMD, chips, semis, that whole sector that rely on each other. Um, you're looking at NVIDIA, it's 120 points off of its high. So I think this is a basing structure. It's similar to if you watched our Tesla video earlier today. It is similar to that area that Tesla's kind of in the buy zone here. Especially if you buy shares, if you're a share buyer and you're willing to wait for a week or two. I think Nvidia can be a really good play, at least to 240. I mean, at least to 240. I say at least. I'm thinking more like 256 area as we move towards earnings, which are February 16th, same week as OPEX. So there's a confluence of events that will happen in news, and I think this is a basing structure that we'll be looking along again very soon. I like the 209 area. I like 210. I think we're going to go retest it. Just the same theory as SPX, as ES, as Tesla video we put out earlier today. Same principle of this is a basing structure and it's starting to fill itself out. And I think this was a good move up to 225 today. Yesterday was also a good move to 240. They sold it off. So to me, this is longer term people hopping in down here. Notice price never got in. So anytime you have a wick like that, I like to think people have some bids down here and order flow confirm that. And so we bump up to 240 here. Then the traders that traded this sold it out, brought it right back down. I think this 210 to 220 area is a great accumulation area. Next week, I'll be looking for that retest to 210. It'll probably be 212, 210, 211, 212, somewhere in there. And I'll be looking to actually swing that into earnings. The premiums will be a little pricey, but I think it'll be worth it. I think the 20, 30 point move over the next 2 weeks. And it's possible it's a 40 to 50 point move if it really gets moving. This will give it some overhead resistance at 256, but still, if you buy it at 212 and it goes to 256, you know, that's that's 42, 44 points. It's pretty good. And then if you're buying I'm making this up, but if you're buying the 230 calls at 210, they're probably $8, $9, maybe 10. So 240, you get 14 from 10 by the time it expires. And probably with time, you probably make a nice double. So there's a good trade here, I think, for Nvidia. We'll be looking forward to it. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to follow. Giving you alpha all the time.